Our first word is the. This word has two forms, the. We say the if the following sound is a consonant sound. The car. The car is expensive. We say the if the following sound is a vowel sound. The elephant. The elephant is huge. The banana. He ate the banana. The apple. She ate the apple. The umbrella. Where's the umbrella? The university. Where's the university? Okay, why do we say the umbrella but the university? Well, it's because umbrella starts with an sound, which is a vowel sound. But university starts with a y sound. Notice that we don't say university, we say university. Y is not a vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. Remember, it's the sound that matters, not the letter. So, the umbrella and the university. Word number 2, and. And is called the strong form. It's how we pronounce the individual word by itself. But when we speak in full sentences, we don't use strong forms. We use weak forms. The weak form of and is n. It sounds like the letter N, and there's no D sound at the end. Fish and chips. We ate fish and chips in London. John and Jane. John and Jane got married. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Number 3, to. To is the strong form. But in natural speech, we say to in sentences. Going to Brazil. Sam is going to Brazil. To see the doctor. I was waiting to see the doctor. To play video games. Kids love to play video games. Word number 4, of. Notice that the last sound is like a V sound, of. Glass of water. Could you get me a glass of water? Lots of friends. She has lots of friends. Waste of time. My son thinks homework is a waste of time. Word number 5, that. We say that when the word is used as a pronoun, meaning in place of a noun, or as a determiner, that is, to show what we're talking about. That's. That's our house. That watch. How much is that watch? We say that when the word is used as a conjunction, that is to connect two parts of a sentence, or as a relative pronoun, meaning instead of which or who in a sentence. Said that. Jen said that she was moving to Canada. Book that you gave me. The book that you gave me is amazing. Number 6. For. For. For is the strong form, but when we speak in sentences, we use the weak form for. For you. I bought this necklace for you. For me. Can you wait for me outside? For the first time. I went bowling for the first time today. And finally, word number 7 is can. Can. I can. I can play the guitar. You can. You can call me anytime. Can I? Can I have the check, please? Can you? Can you see who's at the door? Okay, now that you've learned how to pronounce the 7 words correctly, let's practice saying them in some more sentences. There are 5 sentences on the screen. Stop the video, try saying them correctly, then play the video again and check. Alright, let's practice them together. Number 1. The ice cream. And the ice cream. The pizza. The pizza and the ice cream. Who's bringing the pizza and the ice cream? Number 2. To John. To John tomorrow. Give this book to John tomorrow. Can you? Can you give this book to John tomorrow? Number 3. Of that story. The end. At the end of that story. Tell me what happens at the end of that story. Number 4. The kids. For the kids. To bake a cake. To bake a cake for the kids. I can ask Mary. I can ask Mary to bake a cake for the kids. Number 5. That you. That you sang yesterday. The interesting song. Of the interesting song. of the interesting song that you sang yesterday? The name. What's the name? What's the name of the interesting song that you sang yesterday? Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want more pronunciation lessons, let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and I will see you in another lesson soon.